Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Talk. Today we're comparing openSUSE versus Ubuntu and helping you choose the best Linux distro in 2025. openSUSE Leap is extremely stable because it's based on enterprise-grade SUSE Linux. Ubuntu LTS is also stable, but receives more frequent updates. So, verdict, both are stable, but openSUSE Leap is slightly more enterprise-focused. openSUSE Tumbleweed is a rolling release distro, meaning you always get the latest software. Ubuntu uses a fixed release cycle with major updates every 6 months. Verdict: if you want the newest packages, Tumbleweed clearly wins. openSUSE uses Zypper and the powerful YAST control center. Ubuntu uses APT, which is simple and beginner-friendly. Verdict: beginners will prefer Ubuntu, while system admins will love openSUSE. So, here's the thing. Ubuntu generally performs better on low-end hardware. On the other hand, openSUSE KDE Plasma, yeah, it looks amazing, but it does use slightly more resources. So, if we're talking about performance on older systems, the verdict is pretty clear. Ubuntu wins. So, both distros support Snap Flatpak and AppImage, which is pretty awesome for flexibility. Ubuntu has more community packages, but honestly, openSUSE's repositories are extremely reliable. Verdict: it's a tie. openSUSE is best for DevOps, sysadmins, testers, and advanced users. On the other hand, Ubuntu is best for students, beginners, and daily desktop users. Alright, final verdict. Both are powerful Linux distros. Choose openSUSE for enterprise stability or a rolling release, and pick Ubuntu for simplicity and a beginner-friendly experience. If you found this useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Talk. And hey, comment below. Which distro do you prefer, openSUSE or Ubuntu?